With questions, many students face challenges in getting their doubts cleared timely and effectively. Welcome to IGNOU Hub, introducing our innovative doubt resolution service for students of any kind of homework and assignments. Drop a message on WhatsApp 900-936-8238. How to ask questions. Write or give screenshot of your questions on given WhatsApp number 900-936-8238. Step 1. Ask your questions. Wait for reply. After confirmation, please pay and get your answer within a day. Why should you choose us? Fastest service, reliable answers, free student support, minimum charges. Explain how CRUD is mapped to SQL statement with example. Write short notes on the following: JSP implicit objects, Java secure socket extension, Servlet Collaboration, J2EE Architecture. What is role-based login? Explain how users' access can be restricted using role-based login. If you need answers of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. Thank you.